Hey, it's IFA time. Camila Rinaldi here from NextPit.com, and I have a question for you. How about to have this technology in a notebook format? Well, Asus just did it. Asus just present the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED. Let's check it out. And indeed, the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED is a huge tablet with a foldable screen. According to Asus, this results in particularly flexible uses. But before we get to that, hardware-wise, the notebook sports a 12th generation Intel Core i7 and 16 GB of RAM. To learn more about the technical specifications of this model, go to the link to the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED review in the description of this video. Now, do you want to know what a foldable feels like? Like a huge 1.5 kilogram tablet in 17-inch format. Especially clever, Asus integrates a stand on the back, which you can use to place the Fold OLED on the table. You can use the included keyboard with touchpad to create a computer with a giant display to use on the train or for your home office. When folded, you can use the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED either with or without the keyboard. The virtual keyboard is as awkward as usual, even though it is conveniently located at the very bottom of the display. In notebook mode, you place the keyboard on the lower side of the Zenbook and it attaches magnetically. Your programs automatically slide to the upper side and the foldable feels like a real notebook. Thanks to the energy-saving processor, the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED is supposed to achieve a battery life of 9 hours. However, we suspect that this claim refers to the use with the keyboard in place, where the display turns off halfway. What we are also concerned about is the dissipation of heat, which otherwise likes to work via the surface of the lower half of the notebook. We will test the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED in detail as soon as possible. If you wanted to try it out for yourself, you will have to pay at least $3,500. Yeah, that's a lot of money, but not unusual for new technologies, right? So, what do you think about the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED? Let me know in the comments, and of course, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye!